Hi, my name's Joe Miller. I'm the owner of Rocha Corp. We are a compressed air supplier and service company. And I came to Yaffe so I can get a couple of custom service vehicles. I do have a service team that goes out site to site and works on compressors for shops like this to make sure they get up and running. And I was looking to be a little nostalgic, right, from the Harleys of old. Back in the around mid-century, you'd see the TRIKES, right? They'd go out and they would do service at automotive locations, and I was looking for something that was kind of the same for some of my higher level service guys. So we picked up a Tri-Glide, and we picked up a freewheeler, and I had the guys here at Yaffe Customs kind of go at it from there. So first thing we did, we added the trailers on the back to each of them, so that way the guys, my service guys, can go and they can carry some oil, some light parts, some light tools, and things of that nature. So, so we did the same thing on the Tri-Glide as well. It's a single tire trailer, and again, it's just meant for light servicing. So, as we service, businesses like this, motorcycle dealerships, automotive dealerships, I wanted something that the actual customers can relate to, kind of enjoy, look at. We even let some customers take them out, ride them around the parking lot while we're working on their stuff. So that was the intent behind it.
So maybe we just tap them out, or we can see if we have another one.
Space it out. You'd use the.
Yeah. I mean, just taking these and putting them right here that's an extra set of lights, and you don't have to do this at all.
Right. And I think maybe that's why he hasn't said anything. It should step. But he does like. You don't do an 8?
I'm going to have it ordered 2 1/4 because I'm not going to put a step in the heat sheets. I'm just going to do.
Sure.
I'm just going to do 2 1/4 off.
I had to use the long one, because that's my go-to.
What did you do to what?
Yeah, see, you just pushed on it and it went off. You see that?
So now it's working.
No, see? It's right here in this connector. I bet it's the pin or broken wire or something.
wouldn't even really trim it. It's just got to get clearance like right here.
Rod, but with our flush mount, the actual caps and a set of bolts. It's a good way to go. I'm gonna go grab Fang. Or I'll see you coming. A module that goes in here called an all-on. You already have it already.
It buffed right
Hell
out.
yeah!